Let's check her up in extension. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. So she's got a little bit of concern in her eyes. You can see the whites there. Ears are back a little bit. She's definitely rotated up here on the right side. So, so I'm gonna clear this out for her. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Obviously this is an unnatural thing for them, so they can be a little bit concerned at first, but there's a difference between just being concerned about where your hands are and if it's hurting, and this is discomfort. So I'm just going to rest here for a second, let her rest and relax these muscles. Whoa, she's pulling against me right now, but as soon as I feel her drop, that's when I need to go and do this adjustment. So almost here. Good girl. Good girl. There we go. Good girl. Let her have that for a second. Good girl. You can see that she's processing that one. Head's kind of shaking a little bit. Just give her a minute. Sometimes after you do these adjustments, you got to give the horses a little bit of time to process. And then you'll see the head drop and the lip licking and all the things you want to see. Sometimes it doesn't happen right away, but it will happen if you give them some time. There we go. That's what we want. And then you can go on to the next thing. But you can't rush them.